Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar.
Oh no, it's Ramadan. I shouldn't be eating. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is S.A.W. and today we'll be talking about accidentally eating or drinking during Ramadan. I know myself personally. It was Ramadan, it was fasting season, and I got to work, it's just like getting off my backpack, putting the stuff on my desk, and somebody says, hey, do you want to try one of these? Without even thinking, it was a Timbit. So I grabbed the Timbit, pop it in my mouth, start chewing down, swallowed it, and then one of my friends says, hi, aren't you fasting? I just completely in the moment I'd forgotten. And you know what? If that happens to you, sometimes somebody just hands you a drink. Hey, do you want one of these? You want one of these orange juice? You just like pop it open, start sucking, and then you remember. The moment you remember, anything that's in your mouth, spit out. Anything that's gone down your throat, leave. If you throw up, it breaks your fast. I'm urging each and every one of you, try not to throw up, on this holy month. So also, if you do it by accident, it's not counted against you. So don't worry, relax, have a good day. Thanks for watching. My name's S.A.W. Hit subscribe if you're up to it. Give us a like if you're up to it. Leave a comment in the section below. I love Ramadan. Hopefully you guys love it too. Thanks for watching, and remember your Rabbul Alameen and come to goodness.
Allahu Akbar, Allah.